This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Michelle LeFante. Discover this stunning Carolina home situated on over 10 acres of agricultural zoned land, conveniently located with quick access to US 17 and near the Virginia state line. Built in 2020, this move-in ready property features an inviting open floor plan with entertaining in mind. The home includes gourmet kitchen, 3 bedrooms with an extra bonus room over the garage, and fireplace. Primary bedroom includes large walk-in closet and garden tub. Don't miss the 2,200 square feet workshop with electric. This is country living at its finest. April 30, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle LeFante at 757-286-9104.